Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I recently did my favorite makeup products of the year, and I actually want to show you guys them in action. So today I'm just going to do a tutorial using some of my favorite products of the year, and yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. For primer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Serum Primer. I'll then go in with my e.l.f. foundation brush, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation. It's a nice medium to full coverage foundation. The makeup look you're seeing today is the same makeup look that I am wearing in my favorites of the year's videos. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. I'm just going to take the same foundation brush to blend it out. I'm just doing a really light amount of concealer because I don't want anything too full coverage and crazy, which this concealer already is a pretty light coverage concealer, but I just want to keep it light. And then for foundation, and then for powder, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355. I'm just going to do a really light amount of powder all over my face. For bronzer, I'm taking my favorite Milani bronzer. This one is in the shade Golden. For eyeshadow, I'm just going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to start with the shade right in the center here on a tapered blending brush. I'm going to keep the look kind of simple, but it's going to look like we did more than what we're actually about to do. And we're just going to take that through our crease, using a really light hand. I feel like I don't look orange now. Hopefully it stays that way. So I'm going to go into the shade right next to it, which is like a brownish reddish shade, and I'm just going to put this all over the lid. We're just going to go back into that first crease shade, and we're going to use it on our lower lash line. For eyeliner, I actually don't want to do a wing. I just want to do like a simple straight line. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Booster Eyeliner plus Serum. I'm going to go with my Lash Princess Mascara. This is actually a favorite from last year, but it's still a favorite of this year. I just didn't want to make my favorites video so long, so you may not see some of the favorites from last year, but know that they're still my favorites. Despite this look being so simple, it does look so bold that I want my lashes to really stand out against it. I'm going to move on to brows. I'm going to use my same old, my NYX brow pencil, my Femme Couture brow gel, and we're going to do our brows. I think I want some contour to my face because the eyes look so sharp, especially these brows. So I'm just going to go with my Morphe Brontour in Showmance. In Romance, this is just a mini, so it's not the actual two together. I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones a little bit and my forehead. I go from the corner of my mouth up to my ear, and then I'll just make the contour about halfway down. And I will also go under my chin. We're going to go on to highlight. I'm using my Morphe highlighter in Glowin'. Use a very gentle hand whenever I apply my highlight, because I don't want to put down too much too fast. Down the bridge of your nose, and on the tip of your nose. I'm going to try the Covergirl Coffee Crave and see if it goes with these eyes. I don't like it. Not with these eyes. Okay, let's try NYX Berlin. I think this will look a lot better. Because it's brown, but it has like red in it. Oh yeah, I like that a lot more. There's still so much glitter from the last lipstick mixed in with it. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get it off. So we're just going to live with it. Okay guys, that completes this makeup look using some of my favorite makeup products of the year. The lipstick wasn't in it, but I do love this lipstick. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Hopefully it's super quick and fast. I think I'm going to be able to edit it really quickly. And if you like this video, make sure to hit a thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and comment below for what you want to see next time. And until next time guys, bye!